In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find working Uber promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then right here at the search box type in Uber promo code and then hit on search. It shows you different websites where you can find free Uber promo codes. You can open up any of them. For example, here I can find 5 different coupon codes. The first one gives me $30 off. I can hit right here at more details to get some additional information about that coupon code, and after that I can hit right here at show coupon to see that promo code. After that you can just right here hit at that icon to copy it to your clipboard, and after that you can move on to Uber website or to their mobile app where you can buy some their stuff, and just don't forget to enter that promo code to the promo code field. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and from here you can try to use another one. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.